Students, Logan Phillips here, Professor P. Let's talk about automatic course. We're going to talk about course withdrawal. All right, you are, as the previous video stated, an adult that has chosen to take a adult college-based course in an adult environment. You are going to be treated as the adult you are, with respect and dignity, and that comes with the responsibility. Now, for our class, one of those responsibilities is watching your academic calendar, choosing if you are capable of staying in the class or needed to withdraw, talking to your academic advisors, and making sure that you are planning your life appropriately. So I, as a professor, do not give administrative withdrawals or incompletes unless there is a Title IX office issue or an ADA compliance issue. And those requests must come from the Title IX or ADA office. So if you need to withdraw the course, make sure you check and watch the academic calendar, which is posted on the Blackboard site. See when the withdrawal date is, and if you need to drop before that withdrawal date. If you need an administrative withdrawal or an incomplete, you made it to the class. TCC's handbook is very adamant about this. You have to be passing with at least 60% of the coursework completed to request an administrative withdrawal, and even then it is up to the professor to choose to do it. I have never in 12 years had a student complete an incomplete, so I do not give them because it is a tremendous amount of extra work, and 0 people have actually ever completed it. So if you need an administrative withdrawal or an incomplete, that request must come from the Title IX office or the ADA office. The reason this is, and the policy rationale is, I operate under the assumption that if you, a student, chooses to remain enrolled in the course, even if you're failing, even if you can't do the assignments, it is something to do with your life, and you have made a conscious choice to do so, and it's not my place to overwrite the decision making of an adult. So if you are in the course, I will treat it as if you are trying to stay in the course, and I will allow you to remain in the course unless you get a Title IX or ADA compliance issue that you need to take care of. All right, guys, have any questions, comments, concerns about withdrawal? Make sure you hit before the withdrawal date. Past that, we'll deal with it on a case-by-case basis. Have a good day.